San, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer. So this is the next module of part 5 and about bridge substructure. Okay. So the fourth module. So we have substructure, therefore one of the component of substructure for a bridge is abutment. So this part is the abutment. Okay. This part is the abutment. So possibly this one is also the other end of the abutment. So they are placed at the end of the bridge structure. So the end of the bridge structure, the end. So abutment. Okay, where road width ends and the bridge begins. That is what we mean by abutments. Okay. So there are several design and structure for abutments. So we have what? Independent block wall. I think there are about 6 different types. So independent back wall type of abutment here. Okay. So this is now the what? The bridge. This is the abutment. Okay. So integral type of abutment, meaning the bridge and the abutment is poured in one unit, single unit. So this one. So this is the bridge, end of the bridge, and in a single unit, it is connected to the abutment. Okay. So, end of the bridge. So this is actually the girder of the bridge. Okay. Girder of the bridge. Okay. So next, we have multi-column piers. Okay. So this is the multi-column piers. So this is a pier, and there are several numbers, several elements of column, several number of columns. So I cannot, I can count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 columns in this pier. So in this one pier, there are 10 columns. Single column piers, okay? So it is aesthetically pleasing, but I think for me as an engineer, I want to see multiple column piers than a single column pier. Because I will feel safer. I will feel safer if I saw several columns. Okay, but of course, that is not always the case. Sometimes single column piers here. Okay, integral piers. Okay, integral piers. So this the type of integral piers. Look, integral because the what? The girders are actually integrated into the pier cup. Okay, so useful when vertical clearance constraints exist. So integrated into the pier cup. Okay, so that's why it's called that way. So those are the what? The different types of substructure components. Okay, so again, this is the end of the current video. This is Dr. EYPEI, Bridging Engineering for Nation Building.